Hey ladies, it's your girl Amber and welcome to my channel. Ladies, I know throughout the week things can get stressful and hectic and you just need some time for you. So what I want you to do, I want you to relax, unwind, and join me for a drink tonight. I want you to go and put on an outfit that makes you feel sexy and confident and meet me right back here in this kitchen. But before you go, there's going to be a few items you'll need for tonight's drink. You're going to need Prosecco, triple sec, tequila, hard rock candy, pink lemonade, and lime wedges. I'll be waiting. You're back and you look so fabulous, girl. Yes, you look good. So before I start, I like to light my candles. I like to set the mood, you know? So I'm gonna go ahead and light my candles. You can put on some music that make you feel sexy. You know, just set the mood, you know? You're gonna feel good, you know? So I'm gonna take my champagne glass. I'm gonna take my lime, go to the top, put that here. I'm gonna take some sugar to garnish the top. There. Next, I'm gonna add in 1.5 ounces of Prosecco. I'm gonna add a 1/2 ounce of triple sec. I'm gonna add 1 ounce of tequila. And 2 ounces of pink lemonade. And I'm gonna take my little hard rock candy and set it here. And there you go. Super good. Well, ladies, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed tonight's drink.